Okay. They got some more beautiful plants for $14.98. Such beautiful flower plants, but they also have some house plants. A cute little fiddle. I'm not sure how much it is. I don't see a little. Oh, $30. Almost $30. Super duper nice and full, and a golden pothos. This Syngonium. Wait, what? Stop it. Oh, okay, it's an arrangement. It's with the basket and the fake sphagnum moss. Some more goodies. I know Maximouse was supposedly selling some pink Praxis philodendrons. This is HEB, by the way. These look like dark blood philodendrons. They got some calatheas too. Like, look at that. For $12.98. Peace lilies. And this fiddle is for $12.98 too. Oh my god. That is not a bad deal.